हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? वेल एंड फाइन, दैट्स गुड। सो चलिए लेट्स कंटिन्यू, आई विल नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम। एक्सरसाइज 12.2. ओके, अब 12.2 which questions we are going to solve now? That particular question is very important. It is question number 3. Which is it? It is question number 3. Okay, question number oh. Okay, let's see here. In this particular questions, one figure is here. What is here? One figure is here, and this particular figure just is a shape of rocket, and we have to find out its total area. Means we have to find out that area of this particular rockets. If you are going to see its structures, then you can see that its structures having different type of shape. We have to recognize that particular shapes. We have to see the sides of that particular shape. After it, we have to remember the formula as per the shape. After it, we have to find area part wise, and at last we will add all the areas, and then we will get total area of that particular shape rocket. Okay, if we are going to see, so see here different parts is here. If you are going to see list, one part is like this, then second part is like this, third part you can see here. Okay, after it one more part you can see downside. Means if you are going to see, then how many parts? One is here, two is here, three is here, four is this, and five is this, right? Okay, total five parts here, five parts here. If you are going to find out the area of these all five parts, then we can find out total area. So first we have to recognize the different parts. Look there, this one part is here, this is the first part, it is our first part. Okay guys, now you can see this area in rectangular shape, it is second part. First area is in triangular shape, first area is triangular shape. First part is in triangular shape, second part we are going to see in the rectangular shape. You can see here, it is rectangular shape. Understand? Now we have to see this particular area, third part, its shape is like trapezium. Its shape is like trapezium. Okay, now we have to see this fourth area as well as fifth area. It is in the shape of right angle triangle. It is in the shape of right angle triangle. We know that how to find out area of rectangle, it is well known by us. How to find out area of trapezium, it is well known by us. How to find out area of triangle, right angle triangle, or the trapezium or the rectangle, everything well known by us. Now no problem, not at all. We can easily find out area. See there. First of all, I am going to discuss about this first part. It is one triangle. So we will find out its region. So for region first. It is triangle. It is triangle. If we want to find out area of this particular triangle, now we have to see its side. Look there. One side is given in figure. It is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. अब this is 5 and this particular side is also, both sides are equal. Then this is also 5. This side is also 5. Okay. And this downside, we can see that this is for 1 centimeter. Then definitely it is also for 1 centimeter. Now we have all three sides of this particular triangle. Part 1. Now we can use Heron's formula. As per Heron's formula, n square root s multiply s minus a multiply s minus b multiply s minus c. If we want this Heron's formula, then we should know two things. One is its semi-perimeter, and second one all three sides. We know all three sides. Two are 5, 5, and another one is 1. It means we can say that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1. Now we can find out it's a semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. If we are going to add, in that case, what we will get? 5 plus 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11. 11 by 2. Okay, 11 by 2. This would be, what would be? This would be our semi-parameters. This would be our semi-parameters. ये क्या होगा बच्चों हमारा? सेमी पैरामीटर. अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर शेप को देखते हैं तो इस शेप को आप देखिए, इस रॉकेट का एरिया अगर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है तो हमको यहां पर मिल रहे हैं नियर अबाउट 5 टाइप्स ऑफ शेप्स हियर. पहला शेप आप देखेंगे, इट इज ट्रायंगल. उसके बाद आप सेकंड शेप देखिए, ये कौन सा शेप हो रहा है? इट इज रेक्टेंगल. थर्ड देखिए, इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ ट्रापेजियम. फोर्थ और फिफ्थ तो बोथ आर सेम, इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. अब हमको सभी का एरिया निकालते आता है. मेजरमेंट ऑलरेडी इसकी साइड्स वगैरह हमको दिया हुआ है, देन इजीली वी कैन फाइंड आउट. इसी की कैटेगरी में हम लोग पहला फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट हमारा क्या शेप है? इट इज द ट्रायंगल शेप. ट्रायंगल शेप है, वन साइड इज 5, इट द सेकंड साइड वुड बी आल्सो 5 and third side is already given 1. So in that case 3 sides are there. Okay, अब 3 sides are there, then we will use here Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. ABC is already there. S we will find out with the help of A plus B plus C by 2. हमने इसको ऐड किया, 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11 by 2. क्या आया बच्चों हमारा? सेमी पैरामीटर फॉर द फर्स्ट स्टेप 11 by 2. ओके, अब 11 by 2 हमको ये मिल गया और एबीसी ऑलरेडी मालूम है. वी विल अप्लाई फॉर दैट एरिया ऑफ रीजन फर्स्ट Heron's formula. S is equal to this. In that case what will happen? 11 upon 2 in bracket, 11 upon 2 minus 5. Another bracket again same, 11 upon 2 minus 5, and third bracket as per the C is 1, then 11 by 2 minus 1. Now 11 by 2 we will write same to same, and after it 11 by 2 minus 5, in that case LCM would be 2. LCM would be 2, then what will come? 11 minus 10 upon 2. Same manner 11 minus 10 upon 2, and here what will happen? 11 minus 2 upon 2 after LCM, right? So 11 upon 2 would be same. And after it 11 minus 10 upon 2, then 1 upon 2, 11 minus 10 upon 2, then also 1 upon 2, 11 minus 2 upon 2, then 9 upon 2. तो हमारा अपर साइड एज ए न्यूमिनेटर्स हमको स्क्वायर रूट में क्या मिला? 11 and 9. 11 and 9. और डाउन साइड क्या रहा? 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 and 8 2 जा 16. डाउन साइड we got 16. Okay? Clear? अब look, 11 into 9 and means what is the square of 3? It's 9, means square root of 9 would be 3. So 3 we have to write outside, and in under root we will write 11. And what is the square root of 16? That is 4, because square of 4 is 16. So 4 we will write outside. What would be inside? Now in square root, here we will write 11. What we will write here? 11. तो क्या है बच्चों हमारा? 3 upon 4 into under root 11. Under root 11. Now how to find out the value of under root 11? I discussed already in the previous numericals. In the same manner we have to find out. 11 means we will take pairs. Okay, अब 11 we are taking, and we have to take that square. Then 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16. 16 more than 11. Then we will take that square of 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 we will write here, 3 we will write here, this both will write, then 6, and here 9, then what is remain 2, and now after it we will take pair, then we will take that 2 0 here, then here would be 2 0 0, 3 and 3 6. Okay, now 2 0 0, in that case how many times we will speak this particular table? If you are going to calculate 60 into 0, 61 into 1, 62 into 2, 63 into 3, in this manner what will happen? 63 into 3. Okay, so we will multiply here in 63 into 3, then what we will get? 189. What we will get? 189. Here we have to add 3 here, the 3 and 3, 6 and 6, then same 6, and here we will get 11, and then again 2 0 we will write, then 1 1 0 0. After it how many times we have to speak that 66? In that case if 2 times we are going to speak 6 6 1, 6 6 2, 2 times, in that case it is near about 1200. That's why we have to speak this table 1 time. After here we will write 1, and here write 1 means 1 we will add here, 2 and 1 3, this. Okay, so guys, this previous numerical we discussed already. So whenever we are going to solve that under root 11, so we will get 3.31. What we will get? 3.31. How? I told you already. In this manner we will get 3.31. Okay, now we have to multiply 3 multiply 3.31, then we will get 9.93 upon 4. 9.93 upon 4. If you are going to divide 9.93 by 4, then we will get 2.48. What we will get? 2.48. for it. This is our area of first region. इसको हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दे देते हैं क्योंकि ये हमारा पहले एरिया का जो पहला हमारा रीजन है उसका एरिया हमारे पास निकल गया है. ओके, वी गॉट ऑलरेडी. अब हम बात करते हैं सेकंड का. देखिए बहुत इजी है ये. इसको आप देखिए कौन सा शेप दिख रहा है आपको. इट इज द रेक्टेंगल. इट इज रेक्टेंगल. और रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना तो वेरी सिंपल. लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सी दिस पर्टिकुलर फिगर देन यू कैन सी दिस डाउन साइड इज 1. ओके, सो ब्रेड्थ तो हमको मिल गया और लेंथ ऑलरेडी दिया है 6.5. व्हाट इज द लेंथ? 6.5. तो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ सेकंड रीजन? एरिया ऑफ सेकंड रीजन इजीली वी कैन फाइंड आउट. कैसे निकालेंगे? लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So area of rectangle, length into breadth 6.5 into 1. In that case what we will get? 6.5 square centimeter. इसको हम देंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अब हमारे देखिए दो एरिया वेरी क्लियर. फर्स्ट दिस आल्सो वी गॉट एंड नाउ दिस वी आल्सो वी गॉट. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस थर्ड. देखिए यहाँ पर जब हम पूरा न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं ऑल पार्ट्स आर सिंपल एक्सेप्ट दिस एरिया ट्रापेजियम. इट इज लिटिल टफ. इट इज लिटिल टफ. एक प्रॉपर कॉन्सेप्ट आपको चाहिए इसके लिए. तो देखिए ये फिगर्स को हम फिर से बनाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज ऑल द थिंग्स. देन अगेन आई एम ड्राइंग दिस फिगर एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दिस फिगर. लुक, this figure is here. This figure is here. If you are going to see then what is its length here? 2 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter is here and from here देखिए if you want to find out area of this third region then how we will find out? यहां पर हम देखिए what we will do, draw PM perpendicular on SR. Similarly QM perpendicular on SR. दो परपेंडिकुलर हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. एक रहेगा हमारा PM एंड सेकंड वन इज QN. कहां पे ड्रॉ करेंगे? दैट विल ड्रॉ ऑन द लाइन SR. अब जब हम यहां पर इस परपेंडिकुलर को ड्रॉ करेंगे यहां से 90 एंगल ड्रॉ होगा N से और N से. इन दैट केस व्हाट विल हैपन? ये जो हमारा 2 सेंटीमीटर का जो एरिया था, राइट, दिस पर्टिकुलर लेंथ, ये लेंथ क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ पर? सेंटर पार्ट इसका 1 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा और as per this perpendicular one area will get 0.5 centimeter, another also 0.5 centimeter. If we are going to at 0.5 then 1 then 0.5 then we will get 2. So this 2 will divide in this manner after drawing perpendicular from point P and Q on SR. Right guys? Okay, and already this side we know that it is 1 centimeter. It is given already. It is 1 centimeter. Okay, up to here 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. अब देखिए यहाँ पर if you are going to see this figure, now this particular figure's area we have to find out. If you are going to find out area, then 3 parts here. Part number 1, part number 2 and part number 3. Okay, part number 1 and part number 3 both are same. Both are same. तो इन दैट केस यदि हमको एक पार्ट नंबर 1 का एरिया हमको निकल जाए पार्ट नंबर 3 का, तो बोथ वी विल एड, देन वी विल गेट एरिया, मतलब बोथ एरिया वुड बी सेम. और पार्ट नंबर 2 दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि एरिया ऑफ थर्ड रीजन, इसको हमने क्या माना है? इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया इट इज द थर्ड रीजन. तो एरिया ऑफ थर्ड रीजन वुड बी व्हाट? एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट, एरिया ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट एंड एरिया ऑफ थर्ड पार्ट. मींस एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट प्लस एरिया ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट प्लस एरिया ऑफ थर्ड पार्ट. इज दैट क्लियर? Okay, area of first part, area of second part as well as area of third part, right? Up here area of first and third region are same. Okay, अगर हम इसको देख के चलते तो 90 degrees are here. Understand? So how we can find out? We can find out area of right angle triangle is 2 into 1/2 into what? Base into height. 1/2 into base into height. Okay, so 1/2 into base into height. In that case, what will happen? See here, 1/2 base into height. See this particular reasons carefully. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? देखिए सबसे नीचे आपका ध्यान देना चाहिए रॉकेट्स का जो टेल वाला पार्ट है, रॉकेट वाला टेल पार्ट, दिस इज जस्ट लाइक ए ट्रेपेजियम. और इस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेपेजियम को हम जब इनलार्ज करके ड्रॉ करते हैं तो हमको यहाँ पर 3 पार्ट्स इसके मिल रहे हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट एज वेल एज थर्ड पार्ट. See here, first, second and third. Okay, first and third are same. First and third are same. So in that case, area of third region, if you are going to find out area of third region, then area of first part, area of second part and area of third part. First of all, we will find out area of first and third part because both are same. And here we are going to see, in that case, what is applicable here? We will apply here the formula 1 upon 2 base into height. If you are going to see here, so what is its base and what is its height? Let's see here, its base is 0.5 and its height is 1. Base is 0.5 and height is 1. Base is 0.5, height is 1, and we are finding for both. In that case, we will multiply this area by 2. We will multiply this area by 2, or simply also one area we have to find out, then both we have to add, then also same, and 2 multiply, then also same. Not an issue. I am multiplying here 2, so area of first and second regions 2 into 1 upon 2 base into height. 2 into 1 upon 2 base is 0.5 and height is 1. 2 and 2 cancel, then what we got? 0.5 centimeter. Means what area we got for first and third? First and third we got area 0.5. 0.5. Now we have to find out that area for the second part. Okay, area of second part, if you are going to say, then this is rectangle. This is rectangle, then what is its formula? Length into breadth. Its formula is length into breadth. Length into breadth we are going to see, then this is 1 and this is also 1. The length also 1 and breadth also 1. Then what would be the area of this second part? This would be 1. This would be 1. Then we can say that area of third part. Area of third part. Third part का एरिया हमारा टोटल क्या निकल जाएगा? We got 0.5 centimeter here as well as 1 centimeter here. 0 point as well as 1. 0 point or 1. Both you have to add now. 0 point and 1. Both we will add. Then what we will get? 1.5 square centimeter. 1.5 square centimeter. It is equation number 3. First area we got, second we got, and third also we got. Now we will discuss for this fourth and fifth. Fourth and fifth also same. Fourth and fifth both are same. Understand? So what area we will find out of fourth? That would be of 5. So we are going to find out area of fourth region. Area of fourth region. If you are going to see these things, in that case it is easy. What formula we will apply here? We will apply here formula same, because right angle triangle 1 upon 2 breadth into 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 upon 2 base into height. You have to see this particular figure. If you are going to see this particular figure, in that case, what is your base? Base, look here, 1.5, and what is your height? Height is here 6. Base is 1.5 and height is 6. So in that case, 1 upon 2 base into height, 1 upon 2, 1.5 into 6. If it will be solved, then what we will get? 4.5 square centimeter. 4.5 square centimeter. Same manner, what would be the area of the fifth region? That would be also 4.5 square centimeter. Now we have to find out total area. Then what we have to add here? Area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4, and area 5. Okay, area 1 we got. What we got? 2.48. 2.48. Area 2 we got 6.5. 2.48, 6.5. Area 3 we got 1.5. Area 3 is 1.5, and area 4 and area 5 are same. What is that? 4.5. So we are going to add here 2.48 plus 6.5 plus 1.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. So 2.48 plus, we can add here 6.5 and 1.5. This both we will add, then what we will get? We will get 8. And 4.5 and 4. Both we will add, then what we will get? 9. Now 8 and 9 both we will add, then what we will get? 2.48 7 to 7, 8 and 9 17. Now 17 and 2.48. So what we will get? The total area approx 19.48 square centimeter. 19.48 square centimeter. Nothing is there, that we have to see this particular shape, and after it what is given, everything is given in this particular figure. We have to recognize this figure, we have to divide this in the right, as per the right parts, and after it we have to use the right formula, and at last we have to add all the areas. Then what we want, that we will get. I don't think any problem is here, only your keen attention required toward this particular diagram. After it all the things are same, only little concept required for this third reason. Okay guys, so you understand? Okay, so now upcoming questions we will proceed in the next video. Okay, bye.